नमस्ते सदा वात्सल्य मातृभूमि. Friends, on April 27, Saudi Arabian Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman gave a long television interview to the Saudi channel Al Arabiya. In the interview, he spoke of moderation in the application of Islamic laws. This is very important because it challenges Wahhabism. Wahhabism is a political ideology developed by the 18th century Saudi preacher Muhammad bin Abdul Wahhab. The announcement of the Crown Prince establishes a fundamental break with Wahhabism and constitutes a real change of ideological direction. It favors recourse to the direct interpretation of the Quran and the Hadith without worrying about the different schools of thought and the ulema who forged Wahhabi Islamic thought. Now let us understand what the Crown Prince said. He declared that the constitution of Saudi Arabia is the Quran and that his country is obliged to implement the Quran in one form or another. He explicitly said in social and personal affairs, Muslims should implement only the stipulations clearly enunciated in the Quran. Thus, he said he cannot apply Sharia punishment without a clear or explicit Quranic stipulation of the Sunnah. So, Muhammad bin Salman said there should be no punishment related to a religious matter except when there is a clear Quranic stipulation, and this penalty will be implemented based on the way that the Prophet applied. So, if this is put into practice, only 10% of the valid hadith remain, which are those converging with the Quran. In addition, some Islamic laws would disappear, such as stoning, scourging, amputating the hands of thieves, and Islamic criminal laws such as the death of the apostate and homosexuals. Muhammad bin Salman said, there are no fixed schools of thought, and there is no infallible person. He said, one should engage in continuous interpretation of Quranic texts, and the same goes for the Sunnah of the Prophet. And all fatwas should be based on time, place, and mindset in which they are issued. For example, 100 years ago, when a scholar would issue a certain fatwa not knowing that the earth was round and not knowing about continents or technology, that fatwa would have been based on the then available inputs and information and their understanding of the Quran and Sunnah. But these things change over time and are different right now. So, this is like saying that Saudi Arabia is opting for Quranism, a current of thought that rejects the authority of Hadith. This is a very good development because without political will and political strength, the reform of Islam cannot take place, and the Saudi prince is talking about it, and it is a very, very good development. However, the question today is, do other Islamic countries have the courage to follow the Saudi model currently in vogue? Or they want to find themselves with a modern day inquisition such as Algeria, which condemns free thinkers to prison? These are questions the Islamic world needs to answer. But what is painful is that the Indian Muslims and the left liberal media are not debating this topic, and there is a reason. It is because Muhammad bin Salman's Quranism demolishes the very edifice of Islam being practiced in India by Indian Muslims. They believe in Ghazwa-e Hind and other anti-Hindu proclamations. If Muhammad bin Salman's Quranism is practiced, then all this school of thoughts and concepts will be demolished forever. So this was the purpose of doing this video. Please do like it and share it and inform and educate your ignorant Muslims, the so-called educated ignorant Muslims. Thanks for listening. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.